Okay guys, so good morning. Today's video is kind of different. I'm so disappointed. Many of my favorite YouTubers, many of the guys that I love to follow on YouTube, uh, have basically labeled forex trading gambling. They've basically labeled forex trading gambling, and some have called it a scam. I am so disappointed because there are thousands, if not millions, of people who are making a living from this industry. So, for some people to just come and label it gambling or a scam, I don't know, it just doesn't sit well with me. So, if you're new to this channel, subscribe, watch the videos. We've got many videos on forex trading strategies, and like some of the videos. If you need forex indicators, if you need forex robots, if you need forex strategies, go onto the blog, the daily forex blog. You can find downloads there. Okay, so one of the guys that I follow, his name is Biaheza, I think. Great guy, very great guy. He makes great content, great videos. I love his style of YouTube. But I think less than a month ago, he tried day trading in forex, and then he came to the conclusion that it's all gambling. I was so disappointed. I was so disappointed in the guy. Then one of my other favorite YouTuber, what's his name? Damn, forgot his name. He also came to the same conclusion that forex is all a scam and it's all gambling. And another forex and another YouTuber that I follow as well, same deal. Forex is a scam, it's gambling. I would like to hear what you guys think about all of this. Is forex trading really gambling? Is it a scam as these guys are claiming? Leave your comment in the comments box below. Now, here's what I've noticed with these guys. I love these guys, they make great videos. But I think the first mistake that these guys have made is the guys that have actually tried it, they only used less than a month to do research, to learn about the industry and to get into the industry, and then make the videos and then post them on YouTube, and all in less than a month. Guys, I'm sure you will all agree, you cannot learn a new skill in less than a month. You are not going to go from not having traded a chart to being a professional forex trader in less than a month. I do not know if there is any other industry like that. Tell me in the comments box below if there is an industry where you can just come in less than a month, do your research, learn about that industry, and at the end of the month you are a pro. I think that's the one mistake these guys have been making. The second thing is also, some of these guys have made a lot of money in drop shipping. So they've taken their drop shipping monies and they come over and they just place it in forex, hoping maybe to flip it, or I don't know. And then when it doesn't happen, then they say it's all a scam. The problem with that is what many people do. People think by opening a huge account you are guaranteed of profits in the forex industry. It doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that in the stock market. It doesn't work like that in the casino. It doesn't work like that anywhere. A huge account is not a guarantee that you're going to make a lot of money. And the gambling part that these guys are saying, I think I kind of understand what they are trying to say. Why it might seem like it's gambling is because people go in without a strategy. People go in without rules. People go in, if you watch some of the videos that I think Biaheza was making, the lot sizing was off. There was no risk management. He was just placing trades, and he didn't understand money management, risk management. He didn't have solid forex trading knowledge. And less than a month, he comes out and says it's all gambling. The gambling part comes in when people act like what he did. People probably get in the market and they win one or two trades, which is exactly what happens in the casino where you gamble. You probably win one game, the second game you win again. And what does it do? It boosts your confidence. It gives you some euphoria. You think you are it. So what do? You start placing more bets recklessly. Because you think you are it. That's what people do in forex trading as well. After a series of maybe 5 winning trades, you start seeing people placing huge bets. And what happens? Just like in the casino, the house takes their money, and people then walk away and say it's all gambling. I know these things because I was there. I think one of my biggest mistakes when I started trading was, I could easily get high from my winnings, and I'll start just taking reckless trades because I've won the previous 10 consecutive trades, so I think I know what I'm doing. Of course, it's not to say there are no scammers in the industry. Of course, there are people who are scamming people in the industry and stuff, but there are also people who are making genuine honest people who are making a lot of money from forex trading. So it's not like they say it's just gambling, it's all just scamming people. I disagree on that note. I love their videos, I love those guys, I love the YouTubers that I've mentioned, but on that note I have to disagree. Forex trading is not gambling. If you are a person who knows what they're doing, you've got rules, you've got knowledge backing you up, not just reading books for less than a month and then start trading with huge amounts of money, and then you say that it's gambling. Yes, the funny part, the guys, some of the guys that have labeled forex trading is a scam or gambling, if you go into their YouTube channels, those guys are involved in what's called drop shipping. It's a huge business. So if you watch their videos, you find that they've got affiliate links, and those guys are also selling courses. They are selling a lot of courses about drop shipping on Amazon and things like that. Many people have actually come out and said those guys are actually not drop shippers themselves, but are only making their thousands, their hundreds of thousands from those affiliate links and from mentorships and classes and things like that. They are making so much money from referrals, because that's what affiliate links are. They are actually making a lot of money from referrals, and they are making a killing from courses than that they don't need to do the actual drop shipping. But do we come out and say drop shipping is gambling or it's a scam? No, it's not, because there are also other people who are actually doing the work, people who are actually making a lot of money from drop shipping. It's a legitimate business model. Forex trading is a legitimate trading model or business model, if you will. So I don't know, I would like to hear your thoughts about forex trading. Is forex trading gambling? Is forex trading a scam? Leave your comment in the comments box below. Leave a like video, share it with your friends. Until next time, bye.